My topic is artificial intelligence based IOL power calculation, the emerging new trend over the current practice. To calculate the IOL power, we have multiple formulas for different situations. So we hear many parts like for short eye, normal eye, and for long eye. Even then, the results are not perfect. They all require input data regression based calculation method, and I have a problem of effective lens position, which is still a challenging issue. No human can even write a single formula that takes account every adjustment or variable. That's why for biometry, till now we use the decision tree to take the decision which formula you should use for a particular cases. This is a cumbersome intuition and need lot of experience. But how can we convert this intuition into an approach that is easily available and useful to even the less experienced surgeon? How to be closer to the perfect IOL power? To answer, we have to transform the calculation into the two main approaches. Using the direct artificial intelligence approach for pattern recognition that is used in the Hill RBF formula, and using the swept source multiple formula, here we create the 3D surface from the big data collected from the sweet spots of multiple formula. Sweet spots are the places where we get the maximum correct responses for a given amount of inputs, because for a formula, not all the ranges of input gives the equally maximum correct response. After creating these surfaces, we enter the data and the perfect results are obtained by using the artificial intelligence pattern recognition within the big data in Ladas super surfaces. This is developed by John Ladas. Now, how Hill RBF works. When we upload the data of a patient, Hill RBF finds distinct pattern in apparently random clouds of data points already created by large number of cases. Thus, it is a pattern recognition based on artificial intelligence. The Hill RBF method is a pure data-driven IOL power calculation. It is free from limitation of lens position estimation, that is effective lens position, free from the limitation of inherent to the standard formula. These are adaptive, dynamic, and constantly becoming better and better. It works best with the combination of lens star biometer and Alcon SN16 IOL. But Hill RBF has a limitation. It gives impression as inbound and outbound. Inbounds are those where prediction value is reliable, and prediction value is high probability within 0.5 of the target outcome. But when it is outbound, then outbound shows the prediction value may not match the target outcome within 0.5 or not enough data point to validate. This is the interface of the Hill RBF calculator version 3. Now, come to the Ladas super formula. How does it work? Ladas super formula based on creating Ladas super surfaces from the sweet spots of multiple formula. We have already told about the what is the sweet spots. They are the maximum correct responses for a given amount of input. Now, this is the example of super surface of SRKT. In this surface, plots are presented in 3 dimensions, showing the IOL power in the z-axis and the axial length on the cornea in x and y axis. It can be plotted for any formula. Super Ladas formula has been constructed using sweet spots of 4 formulas: Hopper Q, Holiday 1 with Wang-Koch axial length adjustment, and the Hedges. But Barrett universal formula is not included. Here, it is first with the sweet spots are collected from each formula, then it is connected from each other, and lastly, as shown in the slides, it is amalgamated to get the one surface, that is Ladas super surface. This is the interface of the Ladas super formula. As soon as we entered the data in this formula, we get the result instantaneously along with the 3-dimension graph. A surgeon knows instantly that if he is handling the typical or unusual eyes. If we compare the Ladas super formula with the Hill RBF formula, Ladas super formula eliminates the risk of outbound result as happens in the Hill RBF. as it has a wide range of database and there is no limitation. Hill RBF works best in the combination of lens star biometer and Alcon SN16. But there is no such issue with the LADA super formula. With LADA super formula, no need of surgeon to account for unusual eye because it is single answer for any IOL calculation query, even for extreme eyes. If we compare the LADA formula with the Barrett universal formula, which we use in a regular practice, here, if you superimpose the plots of the LADAs and the Barrett calculator, we see that they are widely overlap. That is so in the blue area. That shows the identical result. But the difference are the for the extreme eyes shown in the red area. So there is a dilemma for the Barrett formula. So in those cases, LADA super formula is better than the Barrett universal formula. So it is an edge over the Barrett universal formula. Now, there is another formula that is Kane's formula. The British Ophthalmological Journal claims that it is more accurate than others. It also uses the artificial intelligence with the theoretical optics, but it needs large cohort study and validation. For extreme eye calculation, here LADA super formula is not dependent upon the effective lens position, so it is good for extreme eye calculation. For toric calculator and the post-LASIK calculator are yet to come in the LADA super formula. The for post-LASIK calculation, no artificial intelligence-based formula till now. For toric IOL calculation, we use LADA super formula for a spherical part and Barrett toric calculator for cylinder part. Though the Barrett toric calculator is also there, it both keeps the both spherical and cylinder part, but Barrett toric calculator depends upon the effective lens position, where the super LADA formula is not. So it is better to use combination LADA super formula for the spherical part and the Barrett toric calculator for the cylinder part. To conclude, the advantage of artificial intelligence formula is today it is data driven artificial intelligence pattern with pattern recognition without estimating the effective lens position. Artificial intelligence based formula is continuously evolving, thus becomes more and more accurate. It is more accurate, more than in 90% accuracy. LADA super formula is better and a single answer for any IOL query in calculation query. There is no outbound limitation. So it is edge over the Hill RBF formula. It incorporates the sweet spots of many existing formula in a single formula. For IOL power, toric IOL calculation, as I have already told, that combination of LADA super formula and the Barrett toric calculator gives the excellent result. It is a time saving. There is no need to create a calculation tree by using different formula as we are using previously, and then guessing approximate corrected IOL power. The task of IOL power calculation can be delegated to the technician, and doctor can totally focus on surgery, leave the mathematics to the artificial intelligence formula. Thus, LADA super formula or Hill RBF formula is, though they are very good, and even in this, the LADA super formula is the grandmaster of biometry and artificial intelligence being the game changer. Thank you. Thank you for your kind.